Northside. I am Jocelyn, and this is
Kylie Usher.
We are your Bulldog Beat reporters for the day. Today is Tuesday, February 6, 2023. Today is the 101st day of school. Glad you tuned in today.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and moment of silence.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, for liberty and justice for all. I am a Bulldog. I have determination. I have a positive attitude every day. My sense of wonder makes me an important part of our school. I have grit and patience. I will never give up even when the days are hard. I will be successful because that's what Bulldogs do. We are the Northside Dogs all day, every day, in every way. The weather forecast for today is partly cloudy with a high of 64.
Here are a few important announcements. Remember, Read Across the America Week is the week we come back from break. Tomorrow is Dress Like a Farmer. Thursday is the Vocabulary Parade. And Friday is Pajama Day. Last week was Bus Appreciation Day. Make sure you tell your bus driver how thankful you are for them. The Readathon fundraiser begins today and goes through March 17th.
Happy birthday shoutouts. Happy birthday, Justin Sierra Herrera has a birthday today. Mom says happy birthday, son. Ms. Broom had a birthday on February 24th. Ms. Waldrop had a birthday on the 26th. Make sure you tell them happy birthday.
Our word, Shirley Chisholm. Shirley Chisholm is a famous politician, educator, and writer. Although her most notable achievements are being the first African American candidate to make a bid to become U.S. president and the first African American woman to be elected as the U.S. Congressman. Chisholm will be remembered for her bravery and fights to provide equal opportunities for black people in the United States. After all, she has said she doesn't want to be remembered as the first person to do something, but as a person who has guts.
Our word of the day is marine. It means made or produced by the sea. It is an adjective. Here's an example of the word used in a sentence. An aquarium has lots of marine animals.
Our core central word of the month is respect. Albert Einstein said, I speak to everyone in the same way, whether he is the garbage man or the president of the universe. That's respect, and no matter the race, gender, age, occupation, or place of living, we can show others how important they are by what we say and do.
Finally, our winner for today's drawing is Aaron Vasquez. Come to the Media Center and receive your prize. Have a lovely day, Bulldogs. Tune in tomorrow for another great show.
Good morning, Northside, and welcome to the first edition of the Math Minute. This is a chart you probably haven't seen before. It's called a TIP chart. It stands for Term, Information, and Picture. The terms that you see over here on the left side are terms that will often be seen on our map test. So the first term is the word number. Everybody say number. Good. All right, so number stands for a number that shows an amount by a word, symbol, or figure. And then there's a picture that goes with what the word number represents. The second term that we're going to look at is compare quantities. To compare quantities, you want to see what number is greater and what number is less than. Some quantities are the same or equal. And we often talk about quantities when we are counting objects, when we look at numbers in place value, and when we're looking at 10 frame quantities. The next word is sum. Everybody say sum. The sum is the total or whole amount. When we think about sum, we usually add. So if you're adding dice, or if you're adding with your tens and ones, or adding another way, the sum is the total that you get at the very end of your equation, or the total that you get when you add everything together. And then the last word is length. Everyone say length. In measurement, length is used to determine how long something is, or it can also be called the distance from one end to the other. So for example, this picture is a picture of a very sad ruler that I've drawn, ha ha ha, and a sucker. So if you were to measure the sucker, this sucker is about 3 inches long, or the length of the sucker is 3 inches. Tune in, boys and girls, for the next Math Minute very soon. Have a great day.